How to enable or disable perspective correction in CS2. So first, just simply go to your settings menu. Now once you're there, make sure you are in the audio panel or audio page. Once you're there, just simply scroll down till you see the perspective correction option right here. And if it's set to yes, which is default, the sound sources will be rendered accurately with respect to your field of view as you look at the PC screen. So you have more like awareness to your surroundings. But for some people, this might not help with their like headphones or sound settings, since other headphones or earphones has their own software that has its own settings for it. So this might not help you on some situations or for other people, but it's really up to your preference. So try it in game, and if you like it, you could set it to yes. But if you don't like it, you could just simply disable it by clicking on it and set it to no. And that is basically it.